for the scene, no road, just 20 minutes behind. Running into Nashville, headquarters on the line, receiving her strict orders from the station just behind. Up the track she darted, to a rock she crashed. Upside down the engine turned and Georgie's breast was smashed. His head lay neath the firebox door, the flames were rolling high. I'm glad to be born for an engineer, to seeing the road to die. Now the doctor said to Georgie, my darling boy, be still. Your life may yet be saved, but is God's blessed will. Oh no, cried George, I will not do. I'd rather die so free. I want to die for the engine I love, 143. Then the doctor said to Georgie, your life may not be saved. Murdered upon a railway and laid in a lonesome grave. His face was covered up with blood, his eyes they could not see, and the very last words